Questa, human neutral evil. Okay, support. Very strange support with a sword in her hand with some blood on the sword. Okay, let's see the spells. Every time an enemy dies, grants recover over time to all aliens for 10 seconds. Oh my god, Bloodthirst. This is very good. Very good spell. Oh my god, this is a very good spell. Now recovering HP without actually waiting a healer somewhere to actually heal you. And when the enemy, most of the times you're going to face many creatures, not just a single one. There's cases where it's a single one, but most of the times it's many. And every time you regenerate some HP, I think this is very good from this hero. Tormentation. Okay. Charges toward the enemy with the lowest HP, dealing necrotic damage with a 75% chance to inflict attack penalty. Reduce attack by 50% for 5 seconds. Damage modifier attack. Now, if the enemy with the lowest HP or get hitted with some necrotic damage, there is a big chance this enemy is going to die very fast, and I'm not so sure this attack penalty too is going to have some kind of effect. But anyway, let's continue. Let's see. Very good hero. I'm very happy. I get my first epic, or maybe second, I don't know.